Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi less sour. The primary reason kimchi becomes overly sour is extended fermentation, where lactic acid bacteria produce too much acid. To prevent this, you need to manage the fermentation from the start. A crucial first step is to properly salt your napa cabbage, allowing it to release excess water and absorb enough salt, which helps regulate the initial stages of fermentation. This sets the foundation for a less sour batch. Adjusting your ingredients can significantly impact the final sourness. Sugar, for instance, feeds the lactic acid bacteria, but too much can accelerate fermentation, while too little might not balance the sourness. Aim for a balanced amount, perhaps 1 to 2 tablespoons per 5 pounds of cabbage. Also, ensure your salt content is precise, usually around 2 to 3% of the cabbage's weight. Incorporating naturally sweet elements like grated Asian pear or apple can also mellow the overall taste. The environment where your kimchi ferments is paramount. Lower temperatures, ideally below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, significantly slow down the activity of lactic acid bacteria, thus reducing acid production. Using an airtight container also helps by limiting oxygen exposure, which can accelerate fermentation. Once your kimchi achieves that perfect balance of tanginess, promptly transfer it to the refrigerator. This cold storage will effectively pause the fermentation process, preserving its delightful flavor. If your kimchi has already become too sour, don't despair. There are still solutions. You can mix a small portion of the overly sour kimchi with a fresh batch of unfermented ingredients to dilute the intense tang. Another trick is to add a tiny pinch of baking soda, about 1/4 teaspoon per cup, which can help neutralize some of the acidity. Alternatively, embrace its robust flavor by using it in cooked dishes such as kimchi jjigae or kimchi fried rice, where the sourness mellows beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.